Number 4 says segment AB has a length of 36. So we know AB is 36. Then it tells us, and it contains points C and D. So C we could put here, D we can put there. It tells us that AC is half of the length of CB. So AC equals 1/2 CB. Then it tells us, and CD is 3 times the length of DB. So CD equals 3 times the length of DB. So now it's saying, what is the length of DB? So, if we break this down, it says that AC is 1/2 of that. So, if we break this down, then if we cut this into 2 parts, we now have 3 equal parts for this line. So then it says CD is 3 times that. So if we break this down in terms of this, which is our CB, and AC, if we said that AC is, let's say, 10, then that would mean that CB is 20. Then if we're using these similar type numbers, CD is 3 times DB. So looking at that, that means that, let's say DB is 4 per se, or actually let's say it's 5. And then CD would have to be 15. So just by making up these numbers, we're getting a sense of the kinds of numbers we need to make this work out, knowing that AB is 36. So basically what we want to start off with is that, so if DB is 5, and we look at our example with the numbers that we made up, having the entire thing be 10 plus 20, which is 30, we know that this represents 30 divided by 5, so it's 1/6 of that whole thing. Since we just made up those numbers to get a sense of how each little piece works, what we now know is that DB is 1/6 of the whole. If the whole is 36, 36 divided by 6 is 6. So now we can put stuff together here and figure out all of the exact numbers. So if this is 6, this CD is 3 times 6, which is 18, making this whole thing 24. And then AC is half of 24, which is 12. And then just to double check, 12 plus 24 gives us 36. And the question wants to know, what is the length of DB? And now we know that DB is 6. Once again, a gridded.